we're gonna just need to cure 15 seconds because I want to add some chrome flake on the nails. All right, so 15 seconds. And after the 15 seconds, it's gonna looking like this. Hold on.
Well, because you have black gloves, so it's gonna be super bright. There you go.
All right. I'm gonna take a couple of the. Let me get one. And maybe it's number this. I believe numbers 5 and number 3. Just need a little bit. Little go a long way. And I just dab it on, and as you know, if you rub it on, it is gonna be like turning a really cool chrome and flake. But if you are just dab it on, it's gonna seem like a little flaky look like this. You can add more or less, it's up to you. It's really cool though. I'm gonna show you the effects of the fusioning. Where am I at? All right. You can do this with any colors, okay? It doesn't have to be with the white colors. Nice and flat. And then now I'm gonna do it applies the matte top coat. Oh, this one I do like it. Looks really cool. I love this one. Because we are going to do the fusioning on the top. Okay? Here for 60 seconds. Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Happy Saturday. And then I did the number 5. Hey Dorothy from YouTube, thanks so much for tuning in. All right, so I'm gonna do another one while I'm waiting for the first one, which is apply the no wipe top coat to adhere the chrome better. So I'm gonna keep for only 15 seconds, okay? Oh, thank you, Brazil. Well, I don't know it's Brazil. I'm asking Brazil if she wanna tune in, but I'm not sure if she answered. Just in case she say yes, then I'm like, wait, Nancy, you didn't add me on. All right, so I'm gonna do number 3. I did number 5 earlier, and I'm gonna do number 3. After this gear for 15 seconds. Hold on, are they the same? That looks different. Oh, they're so nice. Even it looks really pretty by itself. And then you can absolutely rub it on as it's completely finished chrome look. All right.
She's scared.
Why are you scared? Matte top coat. She's so good. You don't need to be scared. I'm scared of her because she's getting really good nail art. We shouldn't be scared of each other. So now we're gonna go ahead and do a matte top coat because what ours going to do is fusionings on. So matte top coat will be the bestie of fusioning. It will help grab, basically is like a sucks right the fusionings pigments right in. So here for 60 seconds. I have the first nails that I did already. It turned out like that when you put matte on. Okay, and the colors that I'm going to do today is magentics and calming. Huh? What? Okay. So I'm gonna need a piece of paper right here so I can just clean my bristle as I needed it. Just add just a little bit. Okay. You can go back and forth so many times as you are prefer. I'm gonna do just a couple later. Yeah, matte chrome. I know, it's cool, right? All right, so now we need, as I say, what is that? Okay, the matte top coat is the bestie of fusioning, and of course this is the bestie to create a really cool marble looks. Only you need this. You do not need any brushes or anything at all. Make sure they have a piece of paper towel so then you can clean the bristles after you are create a veining look. So now just dab it, and you can see that I cleaned the bristle right on the sides of the paper before I dip it back in. This is create this really easy way to create your beautiful designs. This can be a really cool background. You can definitely rock this with your stickers. By the way, stickers is last chance to get 50% off, and transfer foil. Don't miss out the really good saving. All right. So you can keep dapping outside toward to the inside or to the middle, so where you want your vein to be really precise. And then you can go back again. Stop anytime you are feel like you're happy with this, you know. Okay, looks really good though. Actually, I like the reflection of that like chrome flakes underneath. Thank you, Lily. Okay. Oh, looks really cool though. Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Browsy, hi Alexis, hello. Oh my god, your comments. Okay, so you happy with this? You know what, if you don't want anything else, you can definitely top coat it and keep for 60 seconds and you're good to go. If you want to add like stickers on, you can, or you want to add some crystal placement on, absolutely. So I want to add some crystal placement on for you. All right, which one do you want? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we're voting. In the meantime, I am gonna using my free gift, which is crystal trifecta. Come with either your neon crystal kits or your glow in the dark crystal kits. There are 2 glow in the dark crystal kits, and they are sold out in the first time and then come back. So grab yours when it still have a great promotion, and also you are going to qualify to get free gift, which is iHo condensed glue gel. So more condensed glue gel for you to be really enjoying your crystal placement. So I'm gonna start with the condensed glue gel first, and no web top coat and precision glue gel. We're gonna wait until later after we finish. Then we'll do all of them together, okay?
Right, you have one vote for number 3.
Number 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, that looks really cool. Okay.
Balance 1, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Move it over. It's just that, so you can see that.
I'm counting. So how many vote now?
There's 1 for 2. So 3-way tie. So 2, 3, or 6.
2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what?
All 7. 1 each. So pick one. You have 1, 3, 6, 7. 2 for 7. There you go. 7 got 2 votes. All right. Anybody want to give a couple more votes? Otherwise, we're gonna go with 7 for the first down.
It's just, you know what? 3 looks good too. 3 looks perfect for this nail, you know.
Yes. Everybody can vote for Nancy. Gonna do Nancy.
But look at, don't you agree? No, I mean.
Yeah. Let's do 3. So you have like that clear sky with a
No.
light on it.
I think, okay, so I'll keep the 7 for the next nail because we're gonna do magentics for the next nail, right? So that's gonna look good.
Yeah, do the moon. The moon look nice. Go for it. Yeah, number 3.
3, and then we'll do 7 next. How about that? Oh my gosh, I like everything too. All right, so no white top. So I'm gonna save the 6. I really like the 7, right? Are we talking about 7? And no white top coat floating on the top. No, what did you want to say?
No, you're fine. Keep going.
Oh, I'm loving this. This is a second. This is kids number 2.
Yep, like glow in the dark. That moon really stand out.
I'm gonna do a centerpiece from that kids number 2, and you know you'll never go wrong with this. And the kids number 1 and number 2 glow in the dark. Ours is pairing together, so they're compatible together. So you can get them and have them like a pairs, all the crystal and all the shape together.
You know what? That glow in the dark, that color really pop. So you can even think of it that's like the moon reflection on the surface water.
You think?
Could be that too. So you have all the cold flakes at all the stone at the bottom. Then you have all the wavy blue water, and then you have the reflection of the moon really stand out.
Okay, that's a great. Really, I give you a really good imagination. Good credit for it.
Let me know in the comment if you feel the same.
And I can add beads on. Where can I get the beads right here? I think my beads right there.
And some frame in case you need it. So Makia, we're located in Pensacola, Florida. And for previous question, if you want to look for 4D gel, we have a tons of video. I think just the last couple of videos we did 4D gel too. If you want to see something new, probably just hang tight. Probably the next few videos we will do 4D gel.
But we do have a lot of video for that. Please let us know. DM us if you can't find ones. We're gonna send you a lot of really easy, simple one on your way. I do like this. I don't know why is someone who's mentioned number 3 the design though. Really cool though. You can keep on and on if you want to, but it looks really cool, huh? Anything?
Yeah.
That's just one of a really simple way to doing it, your crystal placement. So you are having like 3 different techniques in here, which is the first your chrome flex, and then the second we did is the fusioning, and the third one we did is crystal placements. So congratulations, you have a really, really, really beautiful. Sorry, I keep trying to put my hand underneath, but I
It's okay.
forget.
You just make it super bright.
All right.